All right, I'm going to show you how to link your garage door opener to a Kia EV6, EV9, Hyundai vehicle, etc. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that the vehicle is on. The second thing you have to do is the button that you want to link, go ahead and press and hold until it starts to flash. And then grab your garage door opener and again go ahead and press it till it goes up. Just keep on pressing it until it starts to rapidly flash. And then the next thing you're going to do is press and hold the learn button till your light starts to flash. Once you pressed and hold the learn button on the garage door, just go ahead and every 2 seconds press and hold the button, in this case is number 1, until the garage goes down, and then your garage door is now synced to your homelink button on your rear view mirror.